Good morning, class. Standard 10 Physical Education. Welcome to new academic year 2021. I hope you all in safe and well. So, physical training, physical educations. I think almost all chapter is close, finished. So, from now onwards, I'm giving only revisions in games, two games, that is basketball and volleyball, as well as health and hygiene. In that one chapter in health and hygiene and one game, basketball game for your worksheet, daily worksheet. Question I will give you, you have to find out answer. We have answer with you. You have to go through, don't be negligence, be study, be concentrate on your studies. Right? You have answer with you, everything will, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Now total, your health and hygiene chapter first section A, total 11 chapters, that is human growth and development. Chapter 2, physical education. Chapter 3, body types. Chapter 4, physical fitness. Chapter 5, sports training. Chapter 6, principles of sports training. Chapter 7, safety in sports. Chapter 8, prevention of injuries. Chapter 9, health education. Chapter 10, dietary modification and meal planning. And chapter 11, careers in physical educations. So I will talk about the physical career, physical education careers. So if you only want to become a physical career, you want to as a professionals, there is a qualifications. What are the requirement for become a coach, a referee, commentator, TV anchor like sports anchor, sports TV anchor. That there is a particular criteria is there. You have to follow that to become a professionals. Suppose you want to become a PT master, you need a after +2 there is a CPED, certificate in physical education is there. When you become a graduate, any degree, there is a BPEd, Bachelor of Physical Educations. If you do master degree, then you go to MPEd, Master of Physical Educations. Then the sports is there, PhD is there, researches in sports and management. So many courses are there. You become a PT masters and become a coach. You need a 10 months diploma. NIS in around across the India. There is a 5 centers are there, coaching center, normally called National Institute of Sports, NIS. In that, whichever the discipline is sports, whichever the sports you want to become a coach, you have to undergo training for 10 months. That is called diploma in coaching, maybe boxing, volleyball, basketball. After that, you will become a coach of any team, any institutions specialized in that particular game. We call coach. Even if you want to become a cricketer, cricket commentator, that also qualification is there. In chapter 11, there is a complete detail is there, qualifications, durations and institution, which are the institution conducting. So in that you have to learn from through. So you have textbook, in that you can see what are the career is there, we can find out. There is education institution, minimum qualification, diploma in coaching from NSI, Sports Authority of India, National Institute of sports. Another institution, Netaji Subhas National Institute of Sports, from any other recognized Indian foreign university, 1 year or 2 year semester course. There's a minimum qualification to entry. Diploma course in sports coaching at Sai Patiala is there. There is a conduct to athletic, basketball, boxing, cricket, cycling, fencing, football, gymnastics, handball, hockey, judo, swimming, table tennis, volleyball. These are the disciplines they are conducting in coaching. Education qualifications, graduation from any recognized Indian or foreign university. Sports achievement, participate in major international recognized competitions. Participate in recognized senior national championship. 2-time participate in All India in all. The same thing is a diploma course in sports coaching, same. Bangalore also has a Sai Center, South. In that there is athletic, badminton, hockey, kabaddi, kho-kho, softball, swimming, taekwondo, tennis and volleyball. There are the diploma course in sports in Kolkata, Sai Center, Kolkata. Netaji Subhas Eastern Center, Calcutta. Archery, athletic, boxing, cricket, football and gymnastics. Same thing in Trivandrum, National College of Physical Education. That is Lakshmi Boy National College of Physical Education. Thiruvananthapuram, that is in Kerala. Rowing, canoeing and canoeing. These are water sporting. Postgraduate diploma in sports coaching at Lakshmi Boy National Institute of Physical Education, Gwalior. Still it is there. They are conducting athletic, basketball, badminton, cricket, football, handball, hockey and judo, tennis and volleyball. Job opportunities after doing successful course, you may appointed in school or in colleges or universities, local sports club. Schools and universities, colleges, local authorities, fitness centers, sports club, holiday camps, sports national governing bodies, sports council. In that there is a responsibility also is there. When you become a coach, he has to get responsibilities. How to handle the team, how to teach them, how to protect them, how to save from injury. These all should responsible to learn. Basic thing that is important. Planning and engaging coaching sessions and activities of the safe environment for the trainees. Evaluating performance of trainees. Providing suitable feedback to and help improve technique of trainees. Identify areas of further development of trainees. Ensuring the trainees train and perform to high standard at all times. Developing knowledge and understanding of trainees in relation to fitness, injury, sports psychology, nutrition and sports science. Working with IT-based resources, monitor the measure performance of trainees. Communicating with physiotherapists, doctors and nutritionists regarding needs of trainees. Framing the personalized training programs for trainees. Work on developing advanced techniques and tactics. Monitoring and maintaining records of trainees' performance, physical conditions and mental attitude. These are responsibilities to take coach. Even become a basketball player or volleyball player, you must know basic skill how to handle the ball, how to tackle the ball, how to hold the ball, how to play the ball. These all basic things should learn. Then you go gradually will improve your standard level. Then once you become a player, national level or international level, then after uh, retirement some certain age, you want to become a coach, then you can choose these options. You can do these courses. This is a beneficial career nowadays. Is everywhere the more demand of the sports coaches. So many opportunities there. So you like as a profession, so we can take it as a uh, professional coaches. This all career is there. Beneficial qualities: excellent communication skills, the ability to inspire confidence as motivate, the ability to access the solve problems, determination and patience, a good organization skills, a sensitive and supportive approach, good physical fitness. These are things that the beneficial qualities. The physical education teachers instruct student in sports, recreational activities, and healthy lifestyle issues in order to encourage and development of physical fitness and skills, self-esteem, and interpersonal skills. They organize games, sports training, and competitions. Minimum education qualification for elementary and 1 to 8, senior secondary, diploma in physical education less than 2 years of equivalent, secondary high school 9 to 10, graduate with bachelor of physical education, that is called BPEd, senior secondary 11 12 physical education in elective subjects, masters in physical education MPEd or MPE 2 years course. Opportunities: master in physical education MPEd for national eligibility test and accredited test. Those who have been awarded doctorate degree physical education according with the UGC excuse me, minimum standard and procedure. The award of PhD degree regulation 209 shall be considered in place of requirement of clearing national physical education's training. So there are the institutions, so many institutions there. Institutions, we can take courses. Lakshmibai National College, Trivandrum, Lakshmibai National Institute of Physical Education, Gwalior. This is the oldest college in India. Indira Gandhi Institute of Physical Education and Sports Science, New Delhi. Tamil Nadu Physical Education and Sports University. YMCA College of Physical Education, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Amity School Physical Education and Sports in Noida. These are all the qualities we have to read. So in this phase, a professional sports person like amateur sport person or professional, two things different. The amateur player will follow the rules and regulation of this international body. The professional only the organizing particular game. It is not involved to Olympics or any Asian games. It's all challenging. Professional challenging. Individual capacity, individual assignment with agreements. Not like amateur sports person. They have to follow the rules and regulation what international rules and to says. You have to follow that rules and regulations. Each and every country follow under them. So like that, become international player, superstars in sports, like cricketers, likewise. So many courses are there. We can have our Indian cricketer, Master Blaster, Sachin Tendulkar. So many Indian cricketers like Gopi Chand, the badminton champion, is become a coach. Durnacharya Award, coach on Indian national team. Boxer like a Mary Kom, international boxer, Olympic medalist. Abhinav Bindra is also shooting specialist. So many are there. So many players are there international level. So one day, other day, you also become a sports person to bring grace to the nation, Indian. So in that basis, I am going to give every week one volleyball or basketball questions, and from question in the 11 chapters, one chapter, few questions. You have to go over revision on this. Good morning, class. Stay safe. Stay home.